Have you ever wondered how apps know your name, age, or favorite game? Today you'll learn the secret: user input. Until now, our programs only displayed information. But real programs also take information from users. In C programming, the scanf function is used to take input. It allows users to interact with your program. Scanf stands for scan formatted. It reads data entered by the user. Let's see the basic syntax. This is the foundation of user interaction. %d is used for integers, and &age tells the computer where to store the value. Imagine a user enters 18. The program stores that value inside the variable. Great! Now you understand how user input works. Let's hand it over to Zane for practical examples and deeper learning. Now let's combine Printf and scanf. This creates a complete interaction. First, the program asks for input. Then it displays the result. Different data types use different format specifiers. Each one has a special purpose. For integers, we use %d. This is the most common specifier. For decimal values, we use %f. This works with float variables. For characters, we use %c. It stores a single character. Let's take a student's marks as input. This is a practical example. Now you've learned the main concepts of scanf. Sarah will help you practice and master what you've learned.
Now the program can work with real user data. That's what makes software interactive. Be careful with data types. Using the wrong specifier can cause errors. Professional programmers always double-check their variables. It saves time and prevents bugs. Quick challenge. Can you write a program that asks for your age and displays it? Pause the video and try it yourself. Practice is the fastest way to improve. If you enjoyed learning C programming the fun way, subscribe to DezainSensei and continue your coding journey with us.